guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how I made this quick, easy, viral bow garland. I ordered on Amazon some cheer hair bows with the elastic on back. They were very inexpensive. I used safety pins to attach my bows together. So we just flipped them over to the back side, started at the bottom, just the back layer, the one layer bow, and just kind of scrunched the back layer of the second bow and did a pattern and pinned the two together on the bottom corners, and it worked out beautifully. Just be very careful when you're using your safety pins. So just take the bottom layer in the bottom corner and pin the two bows together, and you can do them different patterns, different colors, whatever you would like. I know the satin bows are very popular and you can order them on Amazon too, but I just went with the two colors this time, pinned them together. But I have seen on TikTok different people are doing it different ways. Some people are hot gluing the bows together, so it's up to you. I just wanted to give you some ideas for an inexpensive bow garland. I bought 3 packages of cheer hair bows on Amazon. I bought 2 of the red, 1 of the white. So I have 12 hair bows, and I will clip the hair elastic off of the back of them when it gets closer to Christmas. But I just wanted to hang it on my mantle to see how it's going to hang and how it's going to look. The ad for the red cheer bows says red cheer large 8-inch hair bows for girls, cheerleading, cheerleaders, softball, ponytail holders. And it's $5.59 for 1 package. So I bought 2 of the red and 1 of the white. So less than $20 for this beautiful garland. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy bow garland tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.